Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports NFC and that iOS is up to date. This ensures compatibility and security. Next, open the app or website where you'll add the Yubikey key and choose Add Security Key. You'll be prompted to authenticate with Face ID or passcode, so have that ready. Once prompted, hold the Yubikey Nfc near the top back of the phone until you feel a tap or see confirmation. This initial tap pairs the key with the account. Once the phone detects the Yubikey, you'll give it a name and allow the service to register the credential. This creates a public key on their server and keeps your private key on the device. After registration, verify by signing out and returning to sign in with the security key. Hold the Yubikey to the NFC area and authenticate with Face ID if asked. Make sure to add backup codes or a second Yubikey so you don't lose access if one key is lost. To finish, confirm the key appears in your account's security settings and adjust trusted device options so prompts behave as you expect. Keep a secondary key or printed backup codes in a secure place to recover access if needed. If the phone does not read the key, make sure the key is at the upper back of the iPhone, remove thick cases, and reboot the phone. These fixes resolve most NFC issues quickly. If problems persist, try registering the Yubikey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.